Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluidart Express. After me we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey, Shannon from ShanB Fluid Art, Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art, and last but not least, Tony and Kat from the Hippy Dippy Painter Man. So stick around and enjoy the ride. So what I'm going to do today is just have a bit of fun with some radial swipes, because, you know, they're loads of fun. Easy way to get cells too. Radials are the simplest way to get big cells. So I'm going to have a play. I'll throw some tunes on, kick back, relax, and I'll see you at the end.
So night falls, the darkness begins, creeping through the shadows within. Got nowhere to run or hide. It's in my blood. It's in my blood. I keep on fighting. I keep on running. I keep on searching. Whispers in the smoke from the fire. Got nowhere to turn this time. It's all around. It's all around. I keep on fighting. I keep on running. Keep on searching for the light, for the light. I'm not lost, I'm not lost. I've seen the light, I've seen the light. I'm not lost, I'm not lost. I've seen the light, I've seen the light. I'm not lost, I'm not lost. I've seen the light, I've seen the light. Oh, I keep on fighting. I keep on running. I keep on searching for the light, for the light. I see the darkness all around, trying to find my way out, trying to find my way out. My heart, it wanders through the night, searching for the starlight, searching for the starlight. Will I find my way back home? Will I find my way back home? I'm moving through the shadows. Rising from the dark, following my heart, coming up for air. This is just a start. Rising from the dark, following my heart, coming up for air. This is just a start. This is just a start. I'm moving through the shadows. I'm moving through the shadows. I'm following the light. I know I see tomorrow. I'm moving through the shadows. Moving through the shadows. I'm moving through the too much on the line, too much to give in. If you think it's over, then let's start it again. The planets align, the stars burn bright, the sun goes down, we keep going all night. Don't back down, the moment is now. Don't miss out, we're never turning around. The night is young, we're out and free. If you can, try to catch me if you can. Catch me if you can. We're renegades. We're renegades. We're renegades. They'll never see us 'cause we're moving the night. We're always ready if they put up a fight. Outrun, outclimb, we'll outshine. You will run and think it's worth it to try. So listen up, I'm calling your bluff, calling your bluff. Yeah, give it up, I think you've had enough. We're renegades. Yeah, we're renegades. We're renegades. Too much on the line, too much to give in. If you think it's over, then let's start it again. The planets align, the stars burn bright, the sun goes down, let's keep going all night. So listen up, I'm calling your bluff, calling your bluff. Yeah, give it up, think you've had enough, you've had enough. We're renegades. We're renegades. We're renegades. We're renegades. We're renegades.
I'm focused. I've been watching for the omens. I've been listening to everything you said. It's been running through my head, locked and loaded. I got the feeling that you know it. Yeah, I've only just begun. I won't stop until it's done, till you're broken. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one waiting for this moment, the final battle of the chosen. See, I'm never gonna quit, got my legacy set.
Alright guys, I'll do a flyover of that one. Those interference pigments that I put in the middle on the black center look absolutely awesome. Definitely loads of fun. Give it a go. You'll love it, trust me. Alright, so up next we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey. So click on her name in the title of this video, it'll take you to her channel. If you're in the live chat, just click on the link that I put in there. Or if you're a member of Paint Pouring by venomfluidart on Facebook, use the play all list. That way you don't get lost. Alright guys, that's it from me. So have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Your fortress and I'll climb your walls. You got your armor, but I see your flaws. So welcome to the fire.